Want to sip your way to beautiful skin? Here are the top 5 juices you need to try. First up, we have the classic carrot orange juice. Packed with beta-carotene and vitamin C, this combo not only boosts your immune system but also gives your skin that healthy, sun-kissed glow. Fun fact, carrots can actually help reduce inflammation and acne. Next on the list is the Green Goddess, a blend of spinach, kale, cucumber, and apple. This powerhouse juice is loaded with antioxidants and vitamins A and C, which are essential for skin repair and hydration. Did you know that cucumbers are 96% water? Perfect for keeping your skin plump and hydrated. Our third juice is the tropical turmeric, pineapple, mango, and a dash of turmeric. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory and can help reduce redness and blemishes. Plus, the bromelain in pineapple helps exfoliate dead skin cells, leaving your complexion smooth and radiant. Fourth, we have beetroot bliss. Beets, apples, and a squeeze of lemon. Beets are rich in iron and antioxidants, perfect for detoxifying your skin and giving it that rosy glow. And lemons, they help brighten and even out your skin tone. Last but not least, the berry beauty. A mix of blueberries, strawberries, and a splash of coconut water. Berries are loaded with antioxidants and vitamins that combat free radicals, keeping your skin youthful and vibrant. Coconut water with its natural electrolytes keeps your skin hydrated from within. So there you have it. 5 delicious juices that not only taste amazing, but also work wonders for your skin. Start juicing and get ready to shine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more beauty tips. Cheers to glowing skin!